What's up, YouTube? Dave's Midlife Car Crisis here. Just want to let everybody know that I did start a secondary YouTube channel for my spreadsheet stuff. It's called Sports Card Sheets by Dave's MLCC. I got a couple of my spreadsheets up, a couple I have not shown yet before if you guys want to check them out. But right now I have a new T206 master checklist sheet. Aaron Judge rookie card and prospect card spreadsheet. So I'm kind of experimenting with a couple single player sheets. I also did a Shohei Ohtani, and then as well as my football card and baseball card full master sheet, and also show off what I have listed up on Etsy on my Etsy store. So once I got the Aaron Judge at $6.99, so is the Ohtani. If anybody's interested. If anybody wants just some 90s football and 90s baseball, I got those up for just $3.99, just simpler sheets. I got a 2018 for $4.99, which is has the Ohtani as well as the Soto and Acuna. The T206 is $4.99. I have 80s baseball and 80s football, both at $3.99 each. And I did lower the price for the full master sheet to $19.99. My original price was apparently a little too high, so I have the full master sheet, which is the pre-1900s through 2020, $19.99, and then the football master sheet is also rookie card sheet is also $19.99, and it is goes from 1935 up through 2021. And then I did do a 2021 football rookies for $3.99, and I said the 80s football for $3.99. And if anybody wants a specific year for me to list, I can do them for $3.99. Just let me know in the comments, and I will put it up on Etsy, and you can get it. Now, I do think the full sheets are the better value, but some people don't want to spend $20 on a spreadsheet, so something simple for what they collect, I could put that up there for you. So let me know in the comments what you think. Please subscribe to Sports Card Sheets by Dave's MLCC for any other updates on my spreadsheets. I'm going to try to keep both channels separate. That way I just don't throw up a bunch of spreadsheets on my normal channel. And that's all I have for today, guys. Y'all have a good day.